Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the wonderful world of synonyms for happy. Whether you're a writer looking to spice up your vocabulary, or just someone who loves words, this video is for you. We'll explore various synonyms for happy, providing you with their meanings and examples of how to use them in everyday sentences. Let's get started and discover the many ways to express happiness. Cheerful. Noticeably happy and optimistic. Sarah's cheerful attitude always lifts the spirits of everyone around her. The cheerful decorations made the birthday party more enjoyable. Glad. Feeling pleasure or happiness. I was glad to hear that you passed your exam with flying colors. We're glad you could join us for dinner tonight. Joyful. Feeling, expressing, or causing great pleasure and happiness. The joyful music at the festival had everyone dancing. Her joyful laughter filled the room when she heard the good news. Buoyant. Cheerful and optimistic. Despite the challenges, his buoyant spirit never wavered. The team's buoyant mood was evident after their big win. Over the moon. Extremely pleased and happy. She was over the moon when she got accepted into her dream college. Winning the lottery left him over the moon for days. Delighted. Feeling or showing great pleasure. I was delighted to receive your invitation to the party. The children were delighted with their new toys. Contented. Feeling or showing satisfaction with one's possessions, status, or situation. After a long day at work, he felt contented just relaxing at home. She looked contented with her simple life in the countryside. Content. In a state of peaceful happiness. He is content with his current job and has no plans to leave. She felt content after a hearty meal with her family. Thrilled. Extremely pleased and excited. She was thrilled to meet her favorite author at the book signing. He was thrilled with the surprise party his friends threw for him. Heaven. A state of great happiness or bliss. Lying on the beach with a good book felt like heaven to her. Eating her grandmother's homemade pie was pure heaven. Pleased. Feeling or showing pleasure and satisfaction. I was pleased with the excellent service at the restaurant. He seemed very pleased when he heard the good news. Radiant. Sending out light, shining or glowing brightly, often used to describe someone looking very happy. She looked radiant on her wedding day. His radiant smile made everyone around him feel happy. Satisfied. Contented, pleased. After finishing the project, he felt completely satisfied with his work. The customer was satisfied with the resolution of her complaint. Beaming. Smiling broadly, very happy. She was beaming with pride as her son received his diploma. He walked into the room beaming after hearing about his promotion. Blissful. Extremely happy, full of joy. They spent a blissful week on a tropical island for their honeymoon. The blissful look on her face was evident when she saw her newborn baby. On cloud nine. Extremely happy. When he heard he had been accepted into the university, he was on cloud nine. She has been on cloud nine ever since she got engaged. In a good mood. Feeling happy and positive. He woke up in a good mood, ready to take on the day. She was in a good mood after spending a fun day with friends. Jocular. Fond of or characterized by joking, humorous or playful. His jocular remarks kept everyone laughing throughout the meeting. She was in a jocular mood, making light-hearted jokes all evening. Elated. Ecstatically happy. She was elated to learn that she had won the scholarship. They were elated after their team won the championship. Walking on air. Feeling extremely happy. Ever since he got his dream job, he has been walking on air. She felt like she was walking on air after their romantic date. Jolly. Happy and cheerful. Santa Claus is often depicted as a jolly old man. The children were jolly as they played games at the party. Jovial. Cheerful and friendly. His jovial nature made him the life of the party. The host's jovial greeting set the tone for the evening. Better. Improved in mood or feeling happier. After a good night's sleep, I felt much better. She was feeling better after talking to her friend about her problems. Ecstatic. feeling or expressing overwhelming happiness or joyful excitement. She was ecstatic when she heard she had won the award. The fans were ecstatic after their team scored the winning goal. Amused. Finding something funny or entertaining. He was amused by the comedian's jokes. She looked amused as she watched the puppy chase its tail. Joyous. Feeling or showing great happiness. The joyous occasion was celebrated with music and dancing. Her joyous expression said it all when she saw the surprise. Upbeat. Cheerful, optimistic. He has an upbeat attitude that is contagious. Despite the setbacks, she remained upbeat about the future. Merry. Cheerful and lively. The merry sounds of laughter filled the room during the holiday party. They had a merry time at the festival, enjoying the music and food. Peaceful. Free from disturbance, tranquil. The peaceful garden was the perfect place to relax and unwind. After the stressful week, she felt peaceful sitting by the lake. Jubilant. Feeling or expressing great happiness and triumph. The team was jubilant after winning the championship. Jubilant crowds filled the streets to celebrate the holiday. Lively. Full of life and energy, active and outgoing. The lively music had everyone dancing. She has a lively personality that brightens up any room. Overjoyed. Extremely happy. She was overjoyed to see her best friend after years apart. They were overjoyed with the news of their new baby's arrival. In seventh heaven. In a state of extreme happiness. He was in seventh heaven when he received the job offer. After their wedding, the couple felt like they were in seventh heaven. On top of the world. Feeling very happy and successful. She felt on top of the world after completing the marathon. With his new promotion, he was on top of the world.